How intelligent people deal with toxic people. In a world full of noise, drama, and negativity, intelligent people move differently. Sa mundong puno ng ingay at gulo, pili ng matatalinong tao ang katahimikan kaysa kaguluhan. They don't fight every battle. Hindi sila pumapatol sa lahat ng laban. They don't react to every insult. Hindi sila agad nagre-react sa bawat salita. Stoicism teaches us one deep truth. You cannot control people, but you can always control yourself. Hindi mo kontrolado ang ugali ng iba, pero kontrolado mo ang sarili mong reaksyon. In this video, we will explore how intelligent people deal with toxic people using Stoic wisdom inspired by Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca. Number 1. They don't take things personally. Toxic people often project their pain, insecurity, and anger onto others. Ang mga toxic na tao ay kadalasang inilalabas ang sarili nilang sugat sa ibang tao. Intelligent people understand this. Alam nila na what people say and do is a reflection of their inner world, not your worth. Kapag may nang-insulto o nang-provoke sa'yo, tandaan mo ito. It says more about them than about you. Instead of asking, why are they attacking me? Ang tanong ng Stoic ay, what pain are they carrying? Emotional detachment is not coldness. Hindi ito pagiging manhid. It is clarity and strength. Number 2, they control the reactions, not the situation. One core Stoic principle says, you can't control external events, only your response. Toxic people feed on reactions. Nabubuhay sila sa galit, emosyon at gulo. That's why intelligent people pause. Humihinto sila. They breathe. Humihinga ng malalim. Sometimes, the strongest response is silence. Minsan, ang katahimikan ang pinakamatibay na sagot. Calm becomes armor. Ang kalmado ay nagiging panangga. Number 3. They set boundaries without guilt. Stoicism is not about being weak. Ito ay tungkol sa self-respect at discipline. Intelligent people know that protecting their peace is not selfish. Alam nila ang pagprotekta sa sarili ay isang responsibilidad. They limit conversations. Nililimitahan nila ang usapan. They reduce access. Binabawasan nila ang access. They walk away when respect is gone. Umaalis sila kapag wala ng respeto. Not everyone deserves your energy. Hindi lahat karapat-dapat sa oras at lakas mo. Number 4. They choose distance over drama. Toxic people want attention, control, and chaos. Ang gusto ng toxic na tao ay gulo at emosyonal na control. Intelligent people choose distance. Pinipili nila ang paglayo kaysa pakikipag-away. Ang paglayo ay hindi pagkatalo. Minsan, ang katahimikan na mismo ang sagot. Number 5. They choose self-mastery, not revenge. Revenge feels powerful for a moment. Ang paghiganti ay parang malakas, pero panandalian lang. Stoics believe the greatest victory is mastery over the self. Naniniwala ang Stoics na ang tunay na tagumpay ay pagkontrol sa sarili. Instead of revenge, intelligent people focus on growth. Sa halip na gumanti, pinipili nilang umunlad. Success becomes the response. Ang tagumpay ang nagiging sagot. Peace becomes the proof. Ang kapayapaan ang ebidensya. Number 6. They see toxic people as a test. Stoicism teaches that every challenge is training. Itinuturo ng Stoicism na ang bawat pagsubok ay pagsasanay. Toxic people test your patience, discipline, and emotional strength. Sinusubok nila ang tibay ng loob mo. The Stoic asks, what is this teaching me? Hindi, why is this happening to me? Pain turns into wisdom. Ang sakit ay nagiging karunungan. Number 7. They protect their inner world. At the heart of Stoicism, your mind is your sanctuary. Ang isip mo ang iyong kanlungan. Toxic people try to invade that space. Pero hindi sila pinapayagan ng matatalinong tao. They don't let anger steal their focus. Hindi nila hinahayaang nakawin ang galit ang atensyon niya. They don't let negativity define them. Hindi nila hinahayaang sirain ng negatibo ang pagkatao nila. They choose calm. Pinipili nila ang katahimikan. They choose control. Pinipili nila ang disiplina. Toxic people are everywhere. Nandyan sila kahit saan. But suffering is optional. Pero ang pagdurusa ay isang pagpipilian. True intelligence is not proving others wrong. Ang tunay na talino ay hindi nakikipagtalo. It is refusing to let them disturb your soul. Ito ay ang hindi pagpapagulo ng iyong kapayapaan. When you master your reactions, kapag kontrolado mo ang reaksyon mo, you master your life. If this message help you gain clarity and strength, kung may napulot kang aral sa video na ito, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more stoic wisdom, mindset lesson, and life clarity. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, follow on TikTok, and connect on Facebook. Remember, calm is power. Ang kalmado ay kapangyarihan. Silence is strength. Ang katahimikan ay lakas. Self-control is true intelligence. Ang self-control ay tunay na talino. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.